Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview Pinescript Debugger. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to use the Tradingview Pinescript Debugger. So let's get straight into it. Now the first step will be to access the Pinescript Debugger features. Now you can do that, you can access that by clicking on the debugger button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. And step 2 will be to set breakpoints in your code. So you want to set breakpoints in your Pinescript code to pause executions and inspect variables. Step 3 will be to step through your code. So you can step through your code line by line to understand the execution flow. And the fourth and final step will be to inspect variables and expressions. So go ahead and inspect variables and expressions to understand their values and their behavior. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview Pinescript Debugger. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next.